Inter-Airport 2025 has been an amazing event.
A brilliant opportunity for the industry to come together.
Innovation is here on every stand.
You can see all the products that are available.
Every supplier has their unique solution that they're offering.
From ground equipment to refueling, all the service providers are in one place at the same time.
Networking is crucial in this industry.
Being face-to-face with clients and colleagues.
Have very direct conversations.
It's always important reconnecting. The attendance this year has been fantastic.
This conference really gives you an opportunity to broaden your horizons.
The seminars and the panels are really important because we can learn from the experience of other airports or of other companies.
To see what's out there, what's new, what's buzzing.
It's really driving our industry on to new heights that we've not seen before.
All those things fit together to a very engaging experience.
If what you do is looking after the future of airports, then Inter-Airport Europe is a show that you really can't miss.